and computer system, we have 7-inch and 10-inch can provide to customer. And the server model and all kinds of spare part we already prepare, and you can check all kinds of things. We use the more paper to packing, make sure it's no problem. And here is our paper box. Our staff will use the good attitude to make sure machine and make sure our program system is no problem. And also this one is our spare part list. Okay, and here we can check 10-inch touchscreen or 7-inch touchscreen and the server model and the server drivers. Also many belt and many clutch also can provide to customer, and waiting the customer come to check the machine. And also we will give him this spare part list and this one the book. This one book we have many different machine and our factory introduced to the customer. After the customer receive the machine and he can check different product. Okay, so here the 1 set and 2 sets product right now is packing, and also can install everything cutter paper machines no problem. Only few hundred USD you can receive 1 set. And if your original machine, original computer system already broken, don't worry about this problem, and you can buy our computer program system and install your cutter paper machine, because everything cutter paper machine also is no problem install.